In our last video, we looked at the importance of voice in writing and how AI's voice is often not great. Logically, it seems taking all the best writers in the world and combining them into one AI should result in the bestest of the bestest writing in the world. What human can boast having read and studied such a wide range of talented writers in their pursuit of finding their own writing voice? None of them. So why aren't the results of giving all these writings to an AI a huge success? Today we'll look at 4 different ways AI gets its voice and how it can go wrong. The first way is training data. Every AI's voice begins with data. Everything from novels to news articles to social media posts and academic papers can be fed into the AI. In theory, this should result in an AI with the ability to switch between styles and tones. This can work. However, one can never forget GECO or garbage in, garbage out. While feeding an AI data from the internet might seem like a great idea, the results are often lacking. AIs do not understand humor and sarcasm. A human can usually easily identify that someone is joking or being sarcastic, whereas a computer could not. One must ask then, why feed an AI data that might be rife with sarcasm and other writing that might confuse it? The answer is a bit ironic. This temptation to feed the AI all this data is a result of AI's influence. With so much online content now being created with an AI, the AI feeds on work created by other AIs or itself. This leads to navel-gazing, although of course AIs don't have navels. However, the fact remains that AIs learning how to create more human content by reading content created by AIs is not a great plan. Which is why feeding data from social media sites that may or may not be filled with inaccurate information and sarcasm and humor is so appealing. The second way that AIs find their voice is with algorithms and models. Specific algorithms and neural network architectures play a crucial role in the building of an AI. Each AI model has its own way of generating text. Much like a professor of English has a better grasp of the language than a 6-month-old, AIs can have greater and lesser degrees of success. Coherence, creativity, and grammatical accuracy can vary. AIs are supposed to learn patterns and structures from the training data, which will enable them to mimic human writing styles. The sophistication of the algorithms ensures that the AI can produce contextually appropriate and engaging content. However, none of this leads to 100% accuracy. One need only use autocorrect and autofill to discover just how inaccurate pattern recognition can be. And even if autofill suggests a phrase that is technically accurate, if everyone uses autofill, we'll pretty soon all sound alike. That one person uses in retrospect and another person uses as I look back are results of that individual's unique voice and way of looking at life. The third way AI can find its voice is the use of fine-tuning and customization. Customization can enhance an AI. If an AI is going to be used in the medical or legal fields, the AI might be customized to fit better within the industry it will work in. The process of fine-tuning an AI involves training it on specialized datasets tailored to a particular style or domain. For example, an AI tuned on Shakespearean text will probably ask, "Hast thou need of further aid?" rather than, "Do you need any more help?" The fourth way an AI gets his voice is with predefined parameters. Settings and parameters such as temperature, maximum tokens, and prompt designs are established by developers. These settings are what determine the way that an AI talks or behaves. There are 3 main parts. The voice tone relates to how the AI sounds. Will the AI be friendly or serious? Will it be formal or casual? Friendly might be, "Hey there, what can I do for you today?" Formal, "Greetings, how may I assist you?" The content parameter decides what the AI can talk about. Will it give information or chat? Is the AI more a friend or a teacher? Informative would be, "The capital of France is Paris." Chat would be, "Have you ever been to Paris?" The third parameter is the response style. This is what decides whether an AI will give a long and detailed explanation or a short and snappy answer. Brief would be, "Yes, I can help with that." Detailed would be, "Yes, I can help with that. Would you like a step-by-step guide or a summary?" All of these parameters must be decided on so that the AI works well for its task. One doesn't necessarily want a legal chatbot greeting guests with "Mellow greetings, Yuki Duki." All 4 of these relate to the programming and creation of an AI's voice. In our next video, we'll look at the human factor in the creation of an AI's voice. In the meantime, if you're looking for a technology partner to bring your innovative idea to life, Swan Software Solutions might be able to help. Visit swansoftwaresolutions.com to find out more.